Hello guys, this is Silva here again. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys a very simple volatility index strategy that you can use to grow your small account. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, first of all I'll share with you guys the setting, then I'll explain how you can trade profitably with this strategy. Okay, so first of all, you click on the F icon, then you click on this plus icon here. All right, then the next thing here is to search for your moving average. Now the properties for this one, you can see the period is 20, shift is 0, method is exponential, apply to is low. All right, you pick the low for this one. Then the levels, you leave it as it is. The time frame, all time frame. The style, you make it color red, and then you make the pizza tree, or you shift it the way you see it, like this. After that, you click on done. That is it for the red moving average. All right, now the next indicator we have here is moving average again. So you are going to be clicking on this plus icon here, then you search for moving average again. Now the period is the same as the first one. All right, everything is the same as the first one. Now the only thing you need to change here is the apply to. You are going to be changing this. The first one will pick low, so this one you are going to make it high. All right, so take note of that, and then you make the color green for this one. Okay, so that's how all you need to change here. After that, you click on done, then you have the moving average set on your chart like this. All right, so the way you are to trade with this strategy is, first of all, you need to identify the trend from a higher time frame. Okay, so as you can see, currently we are in the 1 hour time frame here. Okay, so once you identify the trend, of the market, whether it's a downtrend or an uptrend, then you are going to know the direction you will be trading to. Okay, so with this strategy, okay, so this is a trend following strategy. All right, this is a trend following strategy. So before you trade with the strategy, you need to first of all identify the trend of the market. All right, so for example, you see now that we are in a downtrend here. All right, so what you do is that you go to the lower time frame, which is where you'll be taking your entries from. All right, so let's mark this area here where the trend started from. All right, so this is where it starts falling from. So let's go to the 15-minute time frame. All right, so this is where price started going down. Let's zoom in a little bit again so that you see what I'm trying to show you guys. Now, in order to start trading with this strategy, so you can see price broke below our red moving average here. Okay, this is a sell condition. Okay, so once you see price breaks below this, you can see this candlestick here. Immediately it breaks below it, you take your sell from this area here. All right, you take your sell. So once you take the sell from this area, you are going to be holding, right? You are going to be holding. Your stop loss is going to be when price close above this green moving average. Okay, so you'll be holding from this place you took yourself from. You hold, you can see no candlestick has closed above this green line, so you are going to be holding. You hold till you can see this is where price now close above the grain moving average. All right, so once you see this, once it closes above it like this, you exit the market. All right, then you wait for price again to close. This is a sell condition, right? So we are only looking for sell entries alone. Okay, so you wait for price to close below this red moving average. Again, the red means, you can see the way I differentiate the colors. So once it closes below the red, again you go in for sell again. Okay, so you can see here it closes again, so you go in for sell and then you hold till it closes above it again, right? So here you are going to take some losses, but most of the time with this strategy is going to win. Okay, so this strategy is a strategy you use in markets that you know that are volatile and there are a lot of trends in it. Okay, it works best in a trending market. Okay, so any market you see that is ranging, you avoid it with this strategy. Okay, so you only use this strategy on trending markets. Okay, so that is how it is. You can see you take some losses here, and then once it closes below the red again here, you take your sell again and you hold. Once you are taking only sell trades and you are not buying whenever it crosses above, or selling, you are going to have loss. The losses you are going to have is going to be less. Okay, so like this is just a loss, the only loss we have here now. All right, so you buy, you sell again, and then you hold till it closes above here, then you exit. You can see that, you can see from here to this area here, from this area to this area here, from this area here to this area, you can see it's a very long distance. Okay, so this area here you would have made a lot of profit. Okay, so let me quickly show you guys a buying example and we are done with this video. Okay, I don't want the video to be too long. All right, so as you can see here, this is a buy opportunity. You see, once the price closes above the grain moving average, you take your buy from here and you hold till it closes below. Right, so this is a distance here again that you use to milk the market, and this is another opportunity again, but you take some losses here and then you buy again from here. You hold till this area here again. You can see this is where it closes. All right, and that is a lot of profit also. Okay, but first of all, don't forget guys, you are going to be doing your analysis from the higher time frame, either the 4 hours or the 1 hour time frame, to identify the trend of the market first. Then when you go to the lower time frame, like the 15 or the 5-minute time frame, you only take trades following the direction of the trend. Okay, if it's an uptrend, you only buy in the lower time frame, and if it's a downtrend, you only sell. Okay, it's as simple as that guys, because this is a trend following strategy. You don't need to like be confused on that. Okay, so what I want you guys to do now is to backtest the strategy and see if it's working for you before you decide to go in with your hard-earned money. Okay, so that is going to be all for this one. All right, so quickly before I go, I want to remind you guys regarding the free beginners class which I'll be hosting in my Telegram channel. Okay, so in case you are hearing about it for the first time, I'll be hosting a free beginners class in my Telegram channel on the 5th of September. Okay, so if you're interested, you check the description of this video, click the link that will direct you to my Telegram channel, and you join and you wait for the time. Okay, so I think that's going to be all. And for those of you that are just coming across my channel for the first time, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do make sure you subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so that whenever I post a powerful strategy like this, you get notified immediately. All right, So I'll be seeing you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Silver out.